Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem this application is not available in your country when you want to download the Yuka application or any other application. It tells you or writes to you this application is not available in your country. We will explain a simple solution. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports it. Now let's go through the month. The first step, my dear, I will show you that the problem is with him. Go to the Google Play Store and write the Yuka application. And as you can see here, this application is not available in my region. Now we will solve the problem. The first step, my friend, is to click on the application search engine and write Super VPN. After that, you download this VPN that appears to you now. After downloading this VPN, you go back. After that, go to settings, then go to applications. After that, click on application information, then search for the Google Play Store application from among the applications you have here. After that, click on it, then click on storage, then click on clear data, and do not worry, when you click on clear data, it will not delete the applications that you previously and I downloaded it. Now the next step is to go to the VPN, then click on it, then open it, then click on this icon and choose the country of Canada. And if you do not find the country of Canada, choose France or the United States of America. And if you find Canada, it is preferable to choose it. After that, click on connect, then we connect to the region of Canada. After that, we go back again, then we go to the Google Play Store. After that, we click on our profile icon, then click on this arrow that appears here. After that, we click on add account. Now what will we do? We will create a new account. After that, we click here, then click on Google. After that, we choose the name of the account that or the Gmail that we want, and here you write any important name until you find the name of the pleasure. What is that? You click on the next, and here you choose and write the password for your Gmail account that you want to create. Only you do through these steps. Then click on the second. After that, you click on accept. And as you can see, the Gmail account will be created by this simple method. Now, my friend, as you can see, you have successfully created the Gmail account. Now, all we have to do is go back, then we go to the Google Play Store, then we click on the profile icon, then we click on this arrow, then we choose the Gmail that we created. Now, then we write the Yuka application in the application search engine, and as you can see, this application is available. And if you click on download the application will be downloaded successfully. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. No inquiries. For any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.